Okay, the very first thing we're going to do is go to Ebsco host. So we're going to go to the site I told you about, lib.byu.edu. Very first thing you're going to come do is click on databases. And we're going to go to Ebsco host, so we're going to click on E. We're going to go scroll down until we find Ebsco databases. And once you've hit here, we're going to click on the academic search premier, continue. And then instead of doing the basic search, we're going to do the advanced search. What I'd like you to do is type in the person you're researching. So I've told you I'm researching Thomas Edison. The next thing I'm going to put is life. So I want to know more about the life of Thomas Edison. And then we're going to hit search. And you'll see here there's a lot of different articles, some of them relevant, some of them less relevant. So what you're going to do is look to see what things will be helpful for you.